Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to configure Apple Mail. So once you launch Apple Mail, you'll see a menu here at the very top that says Mail, and then you would just go to Add Account. And then from the options, you'll select Other, and then click Continue. And I'm just gonna override the default name here with the user that I'm setting up. And this is, of course, just a test account. And then you would enter in the password for the account that you created. Okay, and then after you do that, you'd click on Sign In. Okay, so there's a few settings here that you'll have to modify. We recommend that you use a POP account instead of IMAP. What IMAP will do is it will keep a copy of the mail on the server indefinitely. And the advantage of using POP is that you can specify how long to keep the mail on the server. That way, if you're using an iPhone or another device, email will stay on the server for, say, a week or a month, and I'll show you how to modify that setting. So I'm going to go ahead and just select POP, and this is what we would recommend that you use. And then for the incoming and the outgoing mail server, what we recommend that you do is reach out to our support department, and they'll provide you with the specific mail server that you should use. So in this case, for this account that I'm setting up, this is the server that I need to enter in. And again, our support team will provide you with your specific name server, mail server, that is. You'll notice that it says username. You do want to enter this in, so you can just copy and paste the username from above. And then you click on Sign In. Okay, now you'll notice that my mailbox is created here, and there's some messages that were imported. There are still a few steps that need to be completed. So the incoming mail is coming in. Now we just need to make some changes to the outgoing account. So you would, again, go to Mail, and then go to Settings. And then from here, you would select the account that we just set up, which is this one here. And you can, of course, rename the description. So if you wanted to just make that your email address, you can certainly do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that real quick. And this is the setting that I was referring to as far as keeping mail on the server. You'll notice that it's being stored on the server for 1 week. You can customize that so that it's longer. You can set that to a month, or you can set it to when move from inbox. But what we would recommend that you do is either keep it at a week if that's enough. If not, just set it to a month, and that would be perfectly fine. And then next we'll navigate over to server settings. So you'd click on the server settings tab here, and the servers tab, everything looks good. In some cases, the outgoing server, the username doesn't get populated, and it did in this case. So this looks perfect. So you wouldn't make any changes here. Incoming looks perfectly fine. And that's really all you need to do. So really the only thing that we modified was the description. We added our email address to that, and then we replaced the amount of time that email is stored on the server. So we set it to a month instead of a week. But you can toggle it. We again don't recommend that you use immediate, because if you're using a mobile device, the mail won't be on there if you select that option. So a good compromise is 1 week or a month. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and exit out of this, and that's really all we need to do. Thanks again. Hope you have a nice day.